We are here in Piestahan Asian Cuisine here in Riyadh, Sulaimania, with our bosses, Mr. Danny and Mr. Andres, with my friend. Okay, let's go inside. Okay mga boss, at nandito na po tayo sa Asian Cuisine. Yes sir, we will mix. Mag-tuning, we are tuning and mixing.
Tuning and mixing.
Yeah.
Mr. Danny. You were there too, all nice and Japanese. Yes, sir. He's training as well.
Okay, this is our food here in Fiesta Barrio.
Filipino food.
Need po pala kami nila sir ng Filipino food dito.
Yeah, Pitas.
Kain. Alright.
Some rice.
Okay.
To our wives.
Shall we start? Okay. Okay, sir.
If I eat the much rice, I will have a big belly. So that's right.